Hello everyone, let's see how to make a file read only in Windows 10. So first right click on the file, then click on the properties. In general tab, an attributes option, here the read only option. Click on the checkbox, then click on first apply option, then click on the OK and done. Now double click on the file, wait for the few seconds and you can see the Excel file here open. On top side, you can see the Excel file name with the read only status. Now no one can edit this file and save in this same file. And if you want to make this file editable again, then close this Excel file, right click on the Excel file, click on the last option properties. In general tab, uncheck this read only option, then click on the first apply, then click on OK. Now I double click on this file. Now you can see the read only status of top side here remove. Now you can easily edit this file and save it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.